Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to claim your Paws Airdrop tokens on either on Bybit or on Bitget, which is like the two exchanges that is meant for Paws allocation claiming. All right, every single thing is going to be swift and easy to be able to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you can be able to do is to click on the paws.com community.app. That's the link in the description, as well as the link that is currently showing on the screen in your Phantom wallet. As you're already seeing it here, this is my Phantom wallet right here, and that is currently the link that I am using. Okay, then the next thing, it will load up this entire page where you can be able to see every single thing. Then you can press explore. After that, that's on the home menu. Then you can be able to go through this particular part, which is on the TG dashboard. That's the Telegram dashboard. Okay, so I can just press on it there and allow it to wait. So I've done my wallet connection. I'm eligible for it. So this is every single thing that I have. We're way past this level, so I'll just press next. All right, so I have 6,239.16 paws for my allocation. So the claim button is now active, as you're already seeing it here. All right, so the claim button is now active. So the next thing that I'm going to do is just to press my claim button. Then there is a terms and condition. I'll just click on yes. I have read the terms and conditions. I'll just click on it. So we have two available options here. One is for the centralized exchange. That's the pause for a centralized exchange. And this centralized exchange is based on Bybit as well as on Bitget, which is the one that we want to use. Then the on-chain withdrawal. On-chain withdrawal is if you want to be able to claim your Paws allocation inside your Phantom wallet and not directly towards the exchange for it to be tradable. And this particular on-chain transaction actually comes active, I think, on the 18th. All right, on the 18th, that is when it will become active for those who want to use that second option. But right here, we are going to use the centralized exchange part. So I'll just click on it here. I'll click on it here, and it shows me two things for me to be able to do. So you can be able to participate using Bybit, or you can be able to use Bitget. Okay, so whichever one that you want to be able to use at the moment, you can be able to use them confidently, and it is not that difficult. Then I'm going to, for this particular video, I'm also going to be able to do it using Bitget right now. Okay, I'm going to use it with Bitget right now, so I'll just show you. But it's still what the same method still works if you are using Bybit to do it. So let's jump into Bitget. Then I can click on it, and it prompts me, do you have a Bitget account? Okay, do you have a Bitget account? I'll just press yes, I do. So I'm going to copy my Bitget UID as well as my deposit address for the Paws. So the first thing that I need to do is to open up my Bitget. Mind you, I have my Bitget here as well as my Bybits actually active. So I'll open it, and this is my Bitget that is currently loading. So this is my Bitget account. All right, so I'll press on the menu bar, that's the profile bar, which is on top right here, the profile bar. I can be able to click on it and see my avatar. So as you can see, my name right here, and my UID is what you're already seeing right here. Please do not copy my own UID, because if you copy it, you're actually giving me your own allocation. So I'll just tap on it, and it writes copied. So I'll just minimize and go back to my Phantom wallet. Okay, and just wait for it to be able to reload quickly so that I can be able to continue. So it actually didn't, it just closed. So I'll just try it again quickly, and because sometimes you can be able to do it and it will just close your dApp. So you just need to do it quickly, and so that it will work out for you once and for all. So again, here I'll press the TG handle, then next again quickly I'll press on it, then accept terms and conditions again. So centralized exchange, I'm just doing it quick. So Bitget, again, I have a Bitget. Yes, I do, I have a Bitget. Then I'll paste my UID right here. Then the next thing is just to go down back to Bitget again for my deposit address. So this is my Bitget. I can be able to go here go here and click on this particular part. That's click on it, then type Paws, Paws. As you've already seen it, this is Paws. So I'll just press on transfer. Okay, so I'll just press on transfer. So sorry, not transfer, on this particular three dots below. That's the one that you are seeing right here, this particular three dots here. Okay, I'll just click on it and I'll press deposit. All right, deposit. Then I'll just wait for it to be able to load. So please note the network which is on Solana. The network is on Solana and the deposit address is here. So the network is on Solana. So I'll just copy the deposit address and note that it is Solana and come back to my Paws. So right here, I have copied both of them and I can just press here. Then this is my UID. Okay, you can be able to verify it if you want to, but I'm certain that this is my UID and every single thing is correct. So I'll just press continue. Then you want to deposit this to Bitget account. I'll just press my confirm. So done. You receive your tokens in your Bitget account before the trading starts. Has been selected. So I'll just press finish. So that is my location and the change of withdrawal. You can set to change your withdrawal method, but it is already going. So the information is saved and your tokens will be available for trading once the market opens. So basically, I have done every single thing related to transferring my token from my Paws account on my Phantom to Bitget. All right, so it has actually done. So if you had any form of trading voucher that you can be able to get, so you can be able to use yours, that's your own trading voucher. I didn't do any form of trading voucher at all, so I don't think I'm not even having at all. So basically that's how the whole thing works out for you. So for your Solana OG, if you did it, that's you can connect your Solana account, but I don't think it's for everybody. All right, so I don't think it's for everybody, but if you had it, then you can be able to claim as well, depending. But I don't think I'm eligible because I just checked my own. That's my check my Paws. I was not eligible for it. So there was no pause for me to be able to claim here. As you already seen it, that's for the Solana OG. But on the normal Telegram dashboard mining that we did, I have actually completed mine to Bitget, which you already seen. So that's basically every single thing related to the Paws airdrop. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification as well as join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.